Welcome to our home and kitchen gadget review show. Today, we've brought you 5 amazing and super practical products that will make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun. First up is the Sterlex Pancake Batter Dispenser. With this, you can easily pour the perfect amount of batter every time, making pancakes completely hassle-free. Next, we have the Zulay Orange Juice Squeezer. Small but incredibly powerful, it gives you fresh orange juice with just one press. Then comes the Jula oil sprayer, perfect for cooking healthy and delicious meals with just a little bit of oil. We also have the Elite Gourmet electric jar opener, a smart gadget that opens even the tightest jars instantly, without any effort. And finally, the original under cabinet jar opener. You can fit it right under your kitchen cabinet, and whenever you need it, just twist and open jars easily. All the product links are given in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And yes, if you want more kitchen gadget reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Number 1.
Tired of messy, uneven pancakes every morning? Meet the Sterlex Pancake Batter Dispenser, your new breakfast hero. Imagine flawless pancakes, cupcakes, and waffles every single time. Just fill, squeeze, and control. No more guessing or spills. The precise spout lets you dispense batter exactly where you want. Perfect for beginners, pros, and anyone who loves baking. A generous 4-cup capacity means fewer refills, more fun. Clear measurement markings help you track every drop easily. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures a steady, comfortable grip. Even with sticky hands, you'll have total control. No drips, no mess. The shutoff valve keeps counters spotless. Engineered for reliability, this dispenser is built to last. Upgrade your kitchen routine with superior quality and design. Transform family breakfasts and gatherings with effortless precision. Ready for cleaner, easier, and more delicious baking? Get your Sterlex Pancake Batter Dispenser today and bake like a pro.
Number 2.
Tired of wasting juice and making a mess? Meet the Zulay Kitchen Cast Iron Citrus Juicer. Perfect for home cooks, health enthusiasts, and chefs. Imagine fresh orange juice every morning, effortlessly. The 5-inch bowl fits lemons, limes, oranges, even pomegranates. Just place your fruit, pull the ergonomic lever, and watch. Extract every drop. No seeds, no pulp, pure juice only. Heavy-duty cast iron means years of reliable juicing. Stainless steel bowl and filter are food-grade and safe. Rubberized base keeps the juicer steady, no slipping. No electricity needed, juice anywhere, anytime. Cleanup is a breeze. All parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. Upgrade your kitchen with professional-grade performance. Enjoy fresh, healthy juice in seconds, every single day. Backed by Zulay's lifetime guarantee for total peace of mind. Make juicing easy. Get your Zulay Kitchen Citrus Juicer now.
Number 3.
Tired of messy, wasteful oil bottles in your kitchen? Meet the Jula 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, your new kitchen essential. Imagine prepping salads, grilling, or air frying with total control. Switch between a fine spray or steady pour. Just press fast or slow. Wide-angle mist for even coverage. Stream for precision pouring. No more over-pouring or greasy messes. Get the exact amount you need. Crafted from thick, durable glass, built to resist accidental drops. This bottle weighs 14 ounces, so it's sturdy and reliable. Large 16 oz capacity means fewer refills and more convenience. The wide 2-inch opening makes refilling quick and spill-free. Made from food-grade, odor-free glass, safe for high-temperature cooking. Versatile. Use with olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, or avocado oil. Perfect for baking, roasting, grilling, or air frying healthier meals. Customize your bottle with included label stickers for easy identification. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Enjoy cleaner, healthier, more precise cooking. Try the Jula oil sprayer today and experience the difference.
Number 4.
Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Meet your kitchen hero. Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener. Effortless lid removal every time. Perfect for seniors, home cooks, and arthritis sufferers. Picture this. You're in the kitchen, hands full, jar won't budge. Just place the opener on the lid, press one button. Done. High power torque automatically twists off even sealed lids. No wrist strain, no complicated steps, just pure convenience. Auto-size jaws sense lid diameter, grip firmly, and rotate 360 degrees. Opens jumbo jars up to 3.5 inches, or tiny bottle caps. Not just for jars, works on smoothie cups, sports bottles, more. Compact design fits easily in any drawer, always within reach. Runs on 2 AA batteries, no cords, no clutter. Trusted brand, Elite Gourmet, delivering quality for 40 years. Transform your kitchen experience, no more struggling, ever. Give the gift of effortless convenience to loved ones. Ready for an upgrade? Try Elite Gourmet Electric Jar Opener today.
Number 5.
Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Meet your new kitchen hero. Imagine opening any jar, bottle, or cap effortlessly every time. The Grip Jar Opener mounts under your cabinet, always ready, never in the way. Just slide the lid in, twist, and let the grip do the work. Its V-shaped design uses dual carbon steel teeth for a secure hold. No more slipping, straining, or fighting with rubber grips. Handheld openers clutter drawers and often fail. The grip never does. Robotic openers are bulky, expensive, and prone to malfunction. Our opener is compact, durable, and built to last for decades. Perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with weak hand. Invented by our grandfather, trusted for over 40 years. Still crafted in the USA by our family business. Make kitchen tasks easy again, no matter your age or strength. Give the gift of independence to loved ones and friends. Upgrade your kitchen experience with Grip Jar Opener today. Order now and open every lid with confidence.